Okay, so it's looking like a bit of a mess now, but these are all my strips that I'm getting ready with the batting. Excuse the lint here, but I'm getting ready to put my batting in the strips, and it's kind of looking like this with my clips. I did order the Clover tube maker to come in the mail, so let's hope that comes soon. You see my setup in Panini in the background, and my scraps. I gotta figure out what to do with those. But yeah, I'm excited to get this jelly rug on the road. Filled my bobbin, but I just finished a whole roll of thread, so that's cool. I still got a bit to do. This is left. I'm gonna have to replace my batting soon, but I got this really cool ball with my clothes I need to fold. Fresh one right here. Gonna replace it and continue sewing. Threads up and ready to go. My new roll of batting tucked into here, the old roll of batting, and the rolls that I'm using, the batting and the fabric, so we're getting there. Here she is. She's so big and huge, very heavy, very weighty. Love it. Can't wait to make a rug. Oh, and it's looking like I went through 1.5 of these rolls, these batting rolls. I did make this rug 64 strips. That would equal 50, I think 44 inches is the width of the strips usually, so that's why it's taking 1.5. So maybe next time I'll only need one if I do a regular size one. I'm not sure, but I have this one to use next time. There she is. Excuse the messy table. Oh, big, heavy. Big and heavy. I chose to do my lines in the middle, and because I wanted it to be flatter. I heard that it lays flatter if you do it in the middle, so we'll see how that goes. Maybe next time I'll have it be more to the edge, and I'll see how that turns out. So I'm excited to get started on this. This is what we're working with so far. I like how it looks. I really like this print. The little flowers. I think it's very cute. But yeah, it's turning out pretty good. I don't have a lot of bowling yet. I'm trying to keep it that way, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to finish this. It's going really well. I love it. I'm starting, my second color has started, and my little ball and my tape measure is down there. And I really love how it's coming out. If you're gonna make a jelly rug, make sure you constantly check that your bobbin has thread, because I didn't, and I just wasted a few minutes. But luckily, only a few minutes. Only a few minutes. I don't mind this part. I think it is pretty fun. be kind of hard to do this with one hand, but let me see what I can do. Make sure this is up, pull down, and then, ooh yeah, this is hard to do with one hand. Out. All set. All set. Alright, now we just pick up where we left off. Okay, so a lesson I just learned is to try to have your strip on the right side or the inside of your sewing machine, because it's on the outside. That means you're going to have to keep rolling this up, and it gets harder and harder to do that. So that's what I did. I had to flip my rug in a way to where I am sewing this on the outside so it was easier. So if you're gonna make one, heads up, try to make that happen for ease. Making good progress. I really like this fabric here. This one didn't last very long. I only had a little bit of that fabric, but it is coming along. It is looking very cute. I love how it's turning out. So progress update. It is looking so nice. And I had to stop because my bobbin ran out of thread, and luckily I was only trying to sew for a minute or two after it ran out. So this is how much we got left. Wish me luck. Okay, so it's getting big. I'm happy. It's going well. It's just getting heavy. I have to keep folding it over as I sew. But that's a good problem to have. And I have gotten to the cute little bee flower. It is a little bit of a hexagon pattern. I don't know if you can see it, but it's very cute. You can see it probably a little bit more on the... yeah. But yeah, it's going well. I just finished another roll, and you hear my son jumping in the background. Finished another roll. I think I have some more white back there. I'm just gonna go grab it. Speaking of keeping these too, by the way, does anyone know what I can do with these? Maybe I'll look up some projects or something. It is going great. This is what it looks like. It's rolled up, but that is an update, and that's how much of the ball I have left. There. So this is what I got so far. I have that much left. And the rug is getting huge now. I can't wait to see what it'll look like. Hopefully these straighten out, because they're looking kind of bold, and that's making me nervous. Maybe I'll iron it or something. I don't know, but it looks good. So this is the progress that I've made so far. It is huge, and I'm really loving it. And that's as much as I have left. It looks so good. I love it. I just hope it ends up flat. So this is where we're at so far. Big, beautiful rug, but I ran into a few issues. Like this fabric particularly frayed like crazy. So I keep finding these little things that I have to snip off. I mean, they're sealed in, like they're tight. They're tight. They're not gonna contribute to the rug falling apart or anything. They just, I don't know, it was a part of the process, and I thought I got rid of all of them when I was making this rope, the fabric rope, but I guess not, so I gotta snip those off. That's a little bit annoying, but it's okay. I do like the fabric print, all in all. It's very cute. It has a very cute print. I like the two-tone of it. Well, I think I'm gonna have to rip it up and start over. Because, even after trying to iron it, these won't lay flat. And that is, that's not cool. I guess I didn't put enough tension on it. It's very annoying. It's very annoying, but, yeah. I'm gonna begin the process of ripping it all up. The stitches, I mean. Using this, getting rid of these stitches and starting over, I guess. I'm pretty bummed out about how my jelly roll came out. I'm gonna have to rip it all up. Well, not rip it all up. I'm gonna have to use a seam ripper to take it apart and start over, but after trying to do this for like 1 to 2 weeks, I don't want to mess with it anymore. So I'm gonna try something easier. And I'm gonna go through all my fabric stash and make a wallet or a zip pouch, something easy to get my confidence up, because I'm really bummed about the jelly rug. But yeah, stay tuned for my next video. I'm gonna make a wallet or a pouch or something. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next project. Hopefully it doesn't fail.